Alright, well, I got everything that I don't want black taped off, which ain't a whole lot. And I'm about to spray it. Pretty straightforward. And this stuff lays on pretty thick, so not really worried about it being all perfect. As long as it's smooth, it'll be alright. Here we go, let's lay down a coat, see how it turns out. You don't get a whole lot out of them. As you can see, they spray out pretty quick. But I've got 3 cans. I think that should be enough. I'm going to save the last can to make sure the hood gets sprayed right. But almost all the way around it. You really only need one good coat. We'll see how it goes after this dries a little bit. Probably touch some up. Hopefully the hood won't take too much. So we're on the second can. Obviously you want to shake them up real good. Oh, that one's running real good. Yeah, it's running off of the mirror. Oh, that's great. Whoops. Well, now we know. Go a little bit lighter. Probably got a bunch of runs in it, but it's going to be one color. Cans are kind of hard to shake up too. Did the whole car with almost 1 can. Miata Khalifa only took 2 cans, and I had a third, and I just touched up a little bit with it, but I barely used any out of it, so I pretty much did the whole car with 2 cans. It doesn't take a whole lot, at least not for a Miata. Like I said, this stuff goes on really thick, so see if we can make the hood look better. Alright. Orange feels like crazy, but it's whatever. I don't mind it. It doesn't look that bad. Once it sits out in the sun, it'll turn to more of a matte, which I like that a lot better than the gloss, but this is all you can get is gloss. Not even semi. So just don't clear coat it. Let it sit out in the sun and it'll do its thing. Yeah, that's running like crazy right there. Oh well. I was running all over. place over here. That sucks. But it's all one color, that's all that matters. Obviously this isn't going to be perfect. Well, let's let that dry. I don't know how well you're going to be able to tell on camera, but I mean, it's not going to look great. The hoods are screwed up, so I'm not expecting that to look good. It's going to look worse now that it's painted. You're going to see all the little dents and stuff. That came out alright though. That looks pretty good so far. Just the little hump in it, you can kind of see it now. So, but I mean, you can see right there how orange peeled it is, just because of how thick it goes on, but that's fine with me. It's gonna look alright for, I mean, if you want your car to be one color, this is the way to go. This ran really bad from where it dripped off the mirror. You can kind of see that, but I'll just sand that down and re-spray it, I guess. I should have done the mirrors separately. It's whatever though. But that's your Rustoleum turbo paint. Most of it's all, the black's on back order, so it's really expensive right now. I found a deal on those cans. I think I got 3 of them for like $40, and I don't remember if I had to pay shipping or not, but somebody had them and I bought them, but they were like $10 a can. Some people on Amazon are trying to charge $30 a can right now, which is ridiculous. But, you know, in theory, if they're the price that they're supposed to be normally, $10 a can, I mean, you just paint your car for $20. That's not bad at all. So, and I mean, I painted Miata Khalifa like 2 years ago almost now, maybe. And, I mean, it still looks good. So, it honestly looks way better after it's sat in the sun for a while, and you don't really notice that it's spray paint as much. I mean, obviously you can tell, but you don't look at the car and you're just like, oh, they spray painted that car. So, but that's it. So I'm gonna let this dry, touch it up a little bit, and we still haven't cracked into the 3rd can, so we'll see how it goes, see if I need to put too much more on it, but that's it. Really ain't much more to film in this video. I guess I'll probably just end this one here. In the next video, you'll see this thing hopefully out and about, but we'll get a good shot of the finished product. So, as always, thanks for watching. I appreciate you subscribing, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Later, y'all.